Hello and welcome everyone. At CSB Academy, under the expert guidance of Balalata ma'am, we are going to start our prelims crash course. As you know that prelims is just 166 days away. At one instance, it looked like we have 6 months, but we have only 6 months to cover the entire general studies and CSAT. Doing the revision and practice is the most important aspect to clear the prelims. So, considering this importance and the need of the aspirants, under the ma'am's guidance, we are going to start our prelims crash course on 16th of December. In this prelim course, what we are going to provide, what are the important features, how we are going to proceed, and how this course is going to help you to get the success in the prelims exam. All the features of this course is going to be explained by my colleague, Mr. Umesh Reddy sir. Sir, please inform the students what we are going to provide in this course.
Hello everyone. Actually, this course is designed in such a format that it gives the maximum benefit to the aspirant community. We are conducting sessions which are around 150 hours of classroom program, wherein we do a quick revision of all the prominent subjects in the examination. We are going to conduct some current affairs sessions which are up to date and which are very relevant for the examination. We are going to conduct sessions on budget and economic survey, and we are going to conduct regular tests which are both section wise and comprehensive tests also we are going to conduct for the examination. And over and above these features, there would be a kind of personal mentorship and guidance for the student community, which will help them in clearing the prelims examination more easily. I think you might be knowing already that out of nearly 5 lakh odd candidates who apply for the examination, only 10,000 students will make the final cut. And we at CSB are trying to ensure that our aspirants' name will get reflected in the final list. So with that intention, we are starting this course. And more about the course, my colleague Rahul sir will explain.
Thank you, sir. So as sir have explained about the main features of this course, again I am reiterating the importance of the prelims exam. It is the first step and the important step. And clearing the prelims is always a challenging because of the diversity of the syllabus, unpredictability of questions. So a good revision and practice is important. And one special feature of this course, we are going to conduct a live sessions. So in these live sessions, we have this information, or we know that there are certain candidates who are still doing their classes and there are certain aspirants who are working. So for that purpose, we are going to conduct these sessions in the evening so that you can be a part of that live sessions. And in fact, if you are not able to be the part of live sessions, we will also provide the recordings of those sessions, which will be available to you till then prelims exam, which you can see multiple times in order to revision. Fine. And remember that practice and the revision is a key. Prelims is always a game of tactic. Mains is always a game of strategy. So you have to be tactically very good, which portion at what time I have to give attention so that I can clear the prelims exam. So with this, all these things our mind, practice, revisions, focusing on important aspects. For example, budget and economic survey, which comes in the month of February. And it is very important from the prelims examination point of view. So we are going to cover those things. And certain reports we are going to cover in this. Current affairs we are going to cover in this. So a mix of static syllabus and current things we are going to cover in this. So at our end, under the guidance of ma'am, Balalata ma'am, we, a team, we are committed to provide you the success. And further thing will be explained by sir also.
Yes. So as sir has pointed out, how tact is very important in order to clear the preliminary examination. You need to be very street smart. You have to be able to handle multiple subjects at the same time. That is the reason why our course is going to help you in doing that. By conducting the classes for nearly 90 days. a 150-hour sessions. So what we are going to do is we are going to equip you with the skill which is required in order to clear the prelims examination, and the classes will not include any main section, only the preliminary section, the static parts of the syllabus, the dynamic parts of the syllabus, only those aspects we are going to cover. And the students will definitely feel that not even a single minute in the class is wasted, and every section would be followed by a very good material for you, so that you will be able to quickly revise those materials, and all of these features are packed into the course. And definitely you will see that your preparation is going to, okay, so take a big leap forward by joining in this course. Okay, so we are going to conduct a power packed course, and okay, so Rahul sir is going to give his concluding remarks on, okay, the course.
See, crash course is a kind of a last minute solution. In this crash course, we are going to make sure that you should not leave any stone in your prelims preparation. You should go in the prelims exam with 100% confidence, so that you can clear, and from the very next day onwards, you can start your mains preparation. So join us in this course, which is going to start from 16th of December. And in this course, we are committed to provide you the quality material, study and revision and practice. Okay? Thank you.